On June 1, the World Health Organization announced that the COVID-19 inactivated vaccine CoronaVac, developed by China Beijing Sinovac Life Sciences Company, has officially passed the WHO emergency use certification, and Chinese vaccines paved the way of using the second type of vaccine for poor countries. This is the 8th COVID-19 vaccine that has received emergency authorization from the World Health Organization, following the approval of China's Sinopharm's COVID-19 vaccine on May 7. In addition, the third Chinese COVID-19 vaccine, produced by CanSino, has submitted clinical trial data. On the afternoon of May 28, at the closing ceremony of Beijing Science and Technology Week 2021, Sinovac announced the official establishment of the BRICS Vaccine R&D Center in China. At present, Sinovac and the Brazilian partner Butantan Instituto have carried out fruitful cooperation on the COVID-19 vaccine, and will actively promote vaccine cooperation with other BRICS countries. According to a Reuters report on May 31, the Brazilian Butantan Instituto officially announced the research results of the large-scale vaccination of the CoronaVac vaccine in the small town of Ceará in the country. In contrast with the data at the beginning of the trial, after the full vaccination is completed, the number of new symptomatic COVID-19 cases in the local area has dropped by 80%, the number of hospitalizations has dropped by 86%, and the number of new deaths has dropped by 95%. The test also showed that Sinovac vaccine can effectively fight against the coronavirus variant strain with few adverse reactions. The city of Ceará has become a healthy oasis in Brazil, which is inseparable from China's anti-epidemic cooperation. China is the most populous country in the world, and the epidemic situation in the past was equally severe, but it is under such circumstances that China still provides tremendous help to the international community. At present, Sinopharm and Sinovac vaccines are not only deployed in China, but also exported to many countries, especially Asia, Africa, and Latin America. So far, China has provided more than 350 million doses of vaccines to the international community, including vaccine assistance to more than 80 countries, and exported vaccines to more than 40 countries. At the same time, China has also cooperated with many developing countries to produce vaccines and rapidly promote the large-scale production of vaccines. These actions has played a major role in the fight against the epidemic throughout the world. As China's Foreign Ministry spokesperson Wang Wenbin said, this fully proves the safety and effectiveness of China's vaccines and technical routes, and provides more powerful tools for the world to overcome the epidemic at an early date. Obviously, China is not limited to this. The next step will be to unite the BRICS and more countries, together with universities, scientific research institutions, and health and disease control institutions in various countries, to monitor epidemic changes and virus mutations, and to promote vaccine research and development, industrialization, discussion of vaccine application strategies. China has always adhered to the concept of a community with a shared future for mankind, and demonstrated the wisdom and responsibility of a major country with practical actions.